Hi, here's the update for this build. So I finally was able to get the door box installed, welded in. And the inner one also. So I had to split that one to get it in. I also decided to install this convertible reinforcement, but I decided to make my own. This is the same measurement as the ones that is sold. So I have to make a patch here also. But yeah, I drilled the holes and welded in. So this is new. Yeah, but after that patch, I will start putting the floor ban on. Yeah, but that took me too much time. But yeah, the floor ban is going in next.